Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video we are going to be talking about loan apps you can download in Nigeria today, and I'm going to show you different kind of loan app which you can actually download in Nigeria and able to borrow loan here in Nigeria. And also we'll look into the terms and conditions of this app and see how much people have downloaded this app and how much reviews does each of these app actually have, so that you will definitely know if that kind of loan app is actually well trusted or not, and how quick these loan apps are, so you'll be able to know anytime you actually want to borrow a loan from this app. You will know that okay, within this period of time you should be able to get a loan disbursed direct to your bank account in Nigeria today. So let's get started. Quick Credit is one of the personal loan apps in Nigeria today, which is very new, and you can also see on my screen right now the app already have over 11,000 reviews on the Play Store, and the overall rating is 4.2, and the total download is kind of like 500,000, and this include people that use this app to borrow a loan or not. And with Quick Credit you can get a loan for up to 50,000 naira, and they are very reliable and safe with high loan approval rates. You can see on my screen right now, and they also ask you for 3 different things which are the requirement before they disburse a loan to your bank account. So we're going to be looking at those different things, and they also said that they are actually available 24/7, and you can reach out to them to borrow a loan anytime, anywhere you are, as long as you have internet access from your mobile device, so you have access to borrow a loan or to make an inquiry on the app. So the steps are name authentication, the personal information, which are literally your bank account details, your face ID, probably your passport. So those are the means for identification, so they will definitely know that okay, this kind of person they are actually dealing with, as well as your phone number, I said, because it's very important. That will also be determine how much loan will be disbursed to you, and then if they should borrow you a loan. So checking on the reviews, or let's check on the about page and see what's going on there. So on the about us page, they said you can get a loan for up to like 100,000 with professional fast credit loan app. Too embarrassed to borrow money from friends, so they offer a quick app which you can actually use to borrow a loan from the platform. So the product features is 91 to 365 days, and then that's like 3 months to 12 months. So the loan amount you can borrow from the platform is from 1,500 naira to 50,000 naira, and the maximum annual percentage rate is 36%, and the original fee is from 1% to 9%. Probably some other fees attached when you borrow loan for a certain period of time, and the more money you borrow, the more interest will go up. So that's how it works. And then who can apply for the loan from Quick Credit? So from 18 years old and above, and with regular source of income, because they actually want to borrow someone who can actually pay back their money as at when they promise or when they agreed on. So that's why they are looking for people who have regular source of income, so that they'll be able to pay back their money, not people that will borrow the money and then abandon the app or delete their app on their phone. Only when they need money they will come down to the app. So that's what they actually mean. Checking on the reviews, you see different kind of reviews that people are dropping, and they are very active to reply to or respond to every feedback from users, so that they'll be able to know where to fix and if there is any issue to fix as at when any user borrow a loan from the app. So that is what Quick Check is all about, and you can download Quick Credit app today to request for your next loan. Quick Credit is another instant loan app in Nigeria today, which you can download and install, then start requesting for your loan in Nigeria today. So the app already have over 1,000. I have made a video about this app already, and then you can check on the channel to see this specific video about Quick Credit, which is an instant loan app, and the app already have over 4.2 rating, and then over 100,000 people have downloaded this app. And as it's showing on the screen, you can get a loan for up to 500,000 naira. Only BVN needed, nothing else. Literally, maybe your phone number in the long run, but then they will disburse the loan direct to your bank account in no time. So that's what they actually need from you, and the BVN will make them to determine how much they should borrow you or how much your account is eligible to receive. So that is how it works. So you can get a loan of minimum of 500,000 now, which you can actually choose a loan amount you actually want after they determine how much your account can actually receive, and how should they trust you, and how fast you will be able to pay back the loan from their app. So it also supports you to buy what you want, which once you get a loan, and you can pay bills, get instant money, and use it for anything you actually want to do, so that then you can come back to pay them the money you borrowed. So checking on the about page, they also have say that easy and reliable loan in Nigeria. Quick Credit is an instant personal cash loan app which offers safe and reliable personal credit loan service. So the loan application requirement is having a personal bank account, 20 years old and above, Nigerian citizen, have a regular income. All of them are actually asking you to have a regular income, so that you'll be able to pay back them. Because if you have no regular income, it will be very hard for you to borrow money and then pay back, because they will feel like, where are you expecting money? If you are expecting money from somewhere, then why don't you expect the money? Why coming down to borrow a loan? So literally that's how it works. So for Quick Credit's product, the loan tenure is within 91 to 365 days, and you can get a loan of 5,000 to 500,000 naira with the interest rate from 6% to 35%. That depends on how much you are borrowing. So that's actually great. And the service charge also depends on your credit, but generally it's between 0% to 10%. So you definitely know this when you are trying to borrow a loan from the app. For instance, if you borrow like 30,000 naira for instance, and the loan period is 180 days, that's like 6 months, and then interest rates will be 24% per year, and the interest will be 365 days, and times 180, that's like 3,550. So the money that you pay back will be like 33,000 or 34,000, sorry. So 34,000, probably they add some extra charges, which is 1%. So 34,150. That's what you will pay back once you borrow 30,000 naira for 180 days. So that's how Quick Credit works. So easy to apply to get a loan from Quick Credit, instant approval, register your account. Only 3 steps it actually takes, and also make sure that you have it at the back of your mind that you are going to pay back the money you borrow from the app. It's very, very important. So checking on about us, you can see their contact email and their WhatsApp phone number and their office address in Lagos. So you can reach out to them on WhatsApp. You can contact them through email if you have any difficulties, and they will definitely help you to sort out any problems you are facing currently on the app, or when you are trying to use the app to borrow a loan in Nigeria. Hokilo Cash is another quick loan in Nigeria, which you can download and start using, or start using it to borrow a loan in Nigeria today. The app currently have 323 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.1. Literally, it's actually a neon loan app, and the total download is 50k. As you can see, you can use this app to borrow a loan from up to 50,000 naira to 1 million naira. It all depends on your credit score, which is your account limit, because everything will be determined through your phone number and your BVN as well. So with that, they'll be able to determine how much they should borrow you and how fast you'll be able to pay back their loan. And they are going to disburse a loan direct to your bank account with immediate effect once they confirm every details you provided for them. And you can get a loan from between 180 days to 365 days with just 4 simple steps to complete your application, which is application, applying for a loan, complete confirmation information. Once they receive your information, then they will review it, then they will approve your loan. And once they approve your loan, the loan will be disbursed direct to your bank. This is 100% online application, and loan terms within 3 to 6 months, and the interest rate is 24%. It also depends on how much you are borrowing, so you should have that at the back of your mind, that the amount you borrow will definitely be determined with your interest rate. So checking on the About Us page, they also have they also say that you can get a loan with the range of 10,000 naira to 350,000 naira, and the permissible age limit to apply is 21 years and above. The loan terms can be between 90 to 360 days. It all depends on how much you are borrowing, and then the interest rate within 5% to 25%. For example, if you borrow 30,000 with a limit of 120 days, interest rate will be 25% per year. So you have to divide that into 2, and the monthly payment is 8,125. The amount of interest for the entire loan is 2,500. The process fee charges is 0%, and the total amount to pay back is 32,500. It's actually lesser than the other app which we just review. So you can also check on the typical example to understand how it works and why you should choose Okilo Cash Quick Loan. Okilo Cash Quick Loan offer affordable online loan which cater to customers from Nigeria, and it's also an easy way to apply for a loan, pay your bills, and any kind of challenges you are having. So you can use this loan to sort out them, and then you can come down to Okilo app back and pay back the loan you borrowed. So simple requirement actually needed: so one valid ID card, one valid bank account, age from 20 to 55 and more, and you should also be a resident of Nigeria. So then scrolling down, you see their email, their contact address, and then their phone numbers, which are the most important things. So you can reach out to them and check out if they have your loan, or if they qualify to borrow you a loan. So these are the apps I actually want to share with you in Nigeria today, which you can use to borrow a loan. These are the loan app you can download and borrow a loan with ease and without no stress, as long as you have every information they needed from you. So they are going to borrow you a loan in Nigeria. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's really mean a lot to me, and like this video. They are all very, very important. This will also give you more idea that people are really interested in this kind of video which I'm making, and I'm going to push out more video for you guys to watch. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.